how to transfer files between Android phone and Mac using Android Studio. In this video, we will see how to transfer files between an Android phone and a Mac using Android Studio. First, connect your Android phone to the Mac using a USB cable. Make sure developer options and USB debugging are enabled on the Android phone. If the phone asks you to allow USB debugging from this computer, tap Allow. Open Android Studio. You can open any existing Android Studio project. We only need Android Studio so that we can access the connected phone through Device Explorer. Once the project opens, open Device Manager from the right side of Android Studio. Device Manager shows the Android devices available to Android Studio. You may see virtual devices created for the Android emulator as well as physical Android devices connected to the Mac. Find your Android phone in this list. In this example, the connected physical device is a Motorola Edge 20 Fusion. The green indicator shows that the device is currently connected and available. Click the three-dot menu next to the physical device. Then select Open in Device Explorer. Device Explorer opens and displays the files and folders available on the Android phone. You can now browse through the phone storage by expanding the folders. For example, here we open the Movies folder. Inside it, we can see the folders and video files currently stored on the phone. Now, let us first transfer a file from the Mac to the Android phone. Select the destination folder on the Android phone where you want to copy the file. Then click the Upload button in the Device Explorer toolbar. Upload means copying a file from the Mac to the currently selected folder on the Android device. A file selection window opens. Browse to the file on your Mac that you want to transfer. Select the file and click Open. Android Studio now starts uploading the file to the Android phone. Once the transfer is complete, Android Studio displays a confirmation message. You can upload multiple files at the same time as well. Click the Upload button again. Select multiple files from the Mac, then click Open. Android Studio transfers all the selected files to the current folder on the Android phone. After the upload finishes, the files appear in Device Explorer. Now, let us transfer a file in the other direction, from the Android phone to the Mac. In Device Explorer, browse to the folder containing the file you want to copy. Select the file, then click the Save As button in the toolbar. Choose the folder on your Mac where you want to save the file. You can keep the existing file name or change the name if required. Here, we will save the file to the desktop. Click Save. Android Studio starts downloading the file from the Android phone to the Mac. For a large file, the download progress is displayed at the bottom. Wait until the transfer is complete. The file is now available in the selected folder on the Mac. So, using Android Studio Device Explorer, we can transfer files in both directions. Use Upload to copy files from the Mac to the Android phone. Use Save As to copy files from the Android phone to the Mac. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.